So we're gonna do some espresso with a bit of a mocha twist for some dark chocolate in there to balance things out. So to give it the coffee kick, we're gonna use some espresso powder, which is really finely ground, dehydrated espresso, basically instant coffee with a bit of a kick. Quarter cup of this, 2 cups whole milk. We'll start by getting both those blended up together before we add anything else. Already looking like an espresso. So we're gonna add 1 1/4 cup of sugar, a little more than our other recipes, just balances out the bitterness of the espresso. Like before, pinch of salt, about a half teaspoon, and 2 teaspoons of vanilla. Now we can add the cream, just like all the other recipes, 2 cups heavy cream. Just stir this for another minute or 2 until everything's combined. All right, now that that's all finished up, we'll get this in the fridge for probably a half hour. Ideally, you want it in there for 2 hours at least, and we'll get churning. Got some really high grade dark chocolate. We're gonna get this kind of cut fine so it makes little shreds. We've had this in the freezer, so it should sort of do that. 65% cocoa, so not super, super crazy baking chocolate or anything. You still want something with some sweetness. All right, now we're looking good. 100% frosty, 25 minutes in. Get it in the freezer for another 4 to 6 hours, probably overnight.